Alright guys, so we were gonna go to the Nintendo store, and like the line is from all the way down there and it goes all the way up there. So I don't think we're going inside. Alright, let's keep walking out. Look at this madness. This shit is crazy. So you know none of these people have jobs. They just, actually there's no school this week, so guess they're all just chilling out here, literally, because it's 36 degrees right now. Here's the Nintendo store. Now we're at the front of the line. Looks pretty cool. They got security, they got NYPD out here. Let's see what they got going on over here. Got Super Mario. It don't look all that packed inside, right? Huh? It don't look all that packed inside.
Yeah, but no one wants to be.
No one's trying to buy shit.
Unless it was just.
Take a picture of Mario.
Right now. I didn't know. Like, I wanted to come see the store since I was little, and then I found out it had shut down in Times Square when I got here. And then I saw it on the news, so I thought I'd come by, but I kind of expected this.
No, I wasn't expecting to see this.
Could I bug you to like get a picture for me? Because all my friends are elsewhere. I couldn't convince them.
You could just say after I left the Nintendo store, this is what happened.
I will. That's a good idea.
Oh, this is so sad.
I want to ask the people how long they've been online.
Ask them. What are you?
Bros, how long have y'all been online?
7 hours.
7 hours?
I've been here since 11:30.
Damn.
That's horrible.
Y'all phone batteries dead yet?
10%. I'm bearing through it.
Oh, good thing I don't have school this week, right?
I know, it's amazing.
Alright, that's cool. It's not even that packed in there. They could allow like at least 100 more people in there.
No, they've been waiting since before.
Well, he said 7 hours, right?
Yeah.
It's like 7 o'clock now.
Yeah, they were waiting before.
Oh.
There must have been a line around the block.
Probably the line from 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, in the morning. Like the store ain't going nowhere.
Oh yeah, no.
Like, we're just gonna have to wait like a week or two.
Yeah. That's why I'm Team
they
Sony.
They tell all those people at the back that they're getting in tonight.
Yeah, if
so
he
they gonna come tomorrow.
Yeah. If he was there from 7 o'clock and now he's just for 7 hours and now he's just getting to the front, you know.
And that's not even inside.
Yeah.
You gotta wait till like a good handful of people leave.
Yeah.
For them to go in.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Lesson here: be part of Team Sony. Team Sony.
No, that means Nintendo's better.
People don't line up for Androids, but yet my information isn't going to the FBI. Yep, that's right. The sun has left because there's a lot of shade around. Okay, YouTube. Oh, look, some bikes. Got some retro bike there. While I'm out, I will talk to y'all later.